Hi friends, welcome to Lexington Country Club. We're going to go take a look at 16481 Millstone Circle number 302. Follow me, we're going to use the elevator. So if you're looking for a 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo in a beautiful country club in amazing Southwest Florida, come on into this Millstone Circle property. Again, this is unit 302. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, approximately 1276 under air. When you step in, at first you go right to your kitchen. It's got newer appliances, tiled floors, and then you'll notice the dining room. And then you step through into the living room. This comes completely furnished, by the way. And it's got new leather furniture, new blackout curtains to save you on electricity. Let's go check out the view. So here's the view of the golf course at Lexington. Of course, you can do just a social membership. Great, right? Let's go look at the master. So through here is your master bedroom. And again, comes completely furnished. And then to my right is the master bath. Let's go take a look at the guest space and picture yourself living here on the 3rd floor in beautiful Lexington Country Club. It's full-size washer dryer, guest bath, and guest bedroom. One of the features we love about this property is that there's a pocket door that separates the living area from the guest space. So really you can close your guests off and hide them away or give them their own special suite. We're going to go take a look at the amenities next. Thanks so much. I'll be back in a little bit.